In this tutorial, we'll explain the process of creating an account on the board.
Start by visiting the board address. Click the Login button. The login page appears. Click Sign Up at the bottom. Enter your age and select your country of residence. This information is required to determine whether you are of legal age online. Click the Continue button. The account creation form will appear. Enter a username. Set a password. Please note, the password must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, and at least one symbol. Enter a valid email address. Next, enter your first name. Enter your last name. Enter your city and select your country of residence. Take your time to enter correct and valid information. You can also pause the video to help you follow easily. Okay, next, check the I'm not a robot box. You'll need to complete the security check to prove you're not a robot. Sometimes this step can take a while. But with a little luck, it should go smoothly. So don't panic, and again, take your time. Confirm that all the information has been entered correctly. Once everything is correct, click the Create My New Account button at the bottom. Please wait while the platform verifies all the information and sends you the verification email. As you will see, a verification email has been sent. When you receive the email, please copy the verification link and click to confirm. If you have any questions, please contact All-in-One Academy support.